ang gusto nyo? Charot lamang po. It has been 2 long years and I am very excited to say once again, indeed, the Miss Gay competition is not how beautiful, how elegant, nor powerful your costume is, but wearing the best in national costume is how you give life to the colorful costume you are wearing tonight for you to become one. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. In between, my name is Alexis Brenda Hernego and I am 28 years of age, coming all the way last from the highly urbanized city, Valenzuela City. Ladies and gentlemen, since this is a pageant, allow me to carry the image one of the most famous women in YouTube sensation. Yes, I am the woman who captured the heart of Mr. Way Parks. Yes, your one and only Zainab Harake. Zainab Harake leaving you not sweet quotation. No funny stuff, but a night to remember. Good night, everyone.
Thank you, candidate number 4, Miss Zainab Harake. Now let's move on to